What's going on, my beautiful family? I'm here at Publix trying to see if they have any shortages or if the shelves are empty, or see what is going on with Publix. I have not done a Publix yet. Stay tuned and I will show you what's inside. Please, whoever's new here, it would be greatly appreciated if you hit that subscribe button. People and family, I do appreciate that love and support. I love all the comments. The ones that are new here, please hit that notification bell as well, and the ones that are already subscribed as well, please hit that notification bell. I just wanted to give you guys a tour of Publix inside and see if they have any shortages on shelves, or what they have shortages of, or if they have any empty shelves, or what their prices are looking like as well. If there's any inflation due to this war that's going on, if it's affecting us at all, or you know, on these prices of gas being increased as well. Stay tuned, I'm about to show you. And this is the Publix right here in Duluth, Georgia as well. Duluth, Georgia, people. And it looks kind of busy tonight as well, man. No lie, let's see what's going on inside. Low on carts. So they have these Lay's chips, 2 for $7, save $1.18 on 2. Also, they have this buy 2, get 1 free, save $6.19 on 3, but doesn't even say it shows a price or anything. It's crazy. Shows us a price on those, but don't show us a price on the drinks for some apparent reason. Also, water. 3 for $10, people. Save $1.97 on 3 of them. They got this pretty cool system that you could shop online and get your order, and then just come and scan right there and prints out your label or your receipt. I'm assuming that's the way it works. I've not tried it, I've not used it. That's just my theory. Get to the siding part. Just the bread, 2 for $6. Loaf of bread for $2.59. Wow. Yo, Sunbeam, $3.59. They have these in Sam for a 2-pack for that price. So they have this right here, $5.69. Pork loin, baby, back ribs, I would assume, for $18.15. Only 3 pounds, 0.19 ounces. Wow. $21.11 for 4 pounds and 0.23 ounces. Crazy on price inflation. might find. Man, $10.58 for a pound and 0.63 ounces. 1 pound, 0.63 ounces. Wow. Man, inflation is real. See what the chicken's going like. And then this guy's picking up online orders as it is. He's not even restocking. £1 .20 ounces for $17.76. $14.80 a pound. Wow. Boy. $19.05. 3 pounds and 67 ounces. $5.19 a pound. Wow. I can never get that right. I apologize, people. I'm just messing all up right now. As you can see down the cereal aisle, there are some empty spots. They are all face forward, and they are not fully stocked. $4.69. I recorded at Walmart the same cereal. If you go back to look at my latest Walmart video, it shows you the prices so you can compare the differences. Man, this is crazy. Man, Publix is expensive, bro. It's gotten expensive, I think. Juices is low. Got our apologies. Temporary out of this item. We are temporary out of this item. It's crazy. These green tags, that's what it means. See, down here as well, they have the green tags. Temporary out of this item. See? I mean, damn, you're seeing a lot of the green tags. We apologize, temporary out of this item. Temporary out of this item. I mean, they have oil here. It's not much. Well, actually, let me take that back. The high-end ones that supposedly are high-end, they're high as balls on the price. It is crazy. I mean, damn. Because of supply issues, customers are limited to 2 of each item in the canola oil. Thank you. Oil section. Thank you for understanding. And it's crazy. I didn't know they was gonna have oil shortening. Shortages. Man, it's crazy how when there's shortages, price increase. Inflation is real. And it's just like, man, they just trying to get over on people. I get it, you know? They gotta try to survive, but dang, not like this, people. Not off our back in sweat. Pasta is low as well. It's on the drought. Cream cheese. Whew. Seems like baby food as well. It's like shortages on stuff, man. I mean, look at this. I mean, look at this stuff. Look at those prices. Eggs for $6.50. Crazy. Well, there you have it, my beautiful people. Just now leaving Publix. Please remember, whoever is new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button. And those that are subscribed, please make sure you hit the notification bell. It'd be greatly appreciated. I do appreciate you people. I love you guys. You guys are becoming a great community, great family. Man, let's keep up the good work. Thanks for the comments. Y'all have a good night and be safe, and blessings to your families.